If you're using AI without telling it who to be, you're already getting the wrong answers. Most people treat AI like a search engine, but the moment you assign it a role, everything changes. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how one simple shift can turn AI from a general tool into a specialized expert. Today's lesson, your first real prompt, the anatomy of a great ask. Lesson 7. This is where the practical skills really start to take shape. Today, we're building the framework you'll use for the rest of this series and the rest of your AI career. It's called the four-part prompt structure, and once you know it, you'll use it every single day. A prompt is just what you type into an AI tool, but there's a world of difference between a casual prompt and an intentional one. Think of it like placing an order at a restaurant. You could say, "I'll have something to eat," and you'll get something. Or you could say, "I'll have the grilled salmon medium with the vegetables on the side, and can you tell the chef I have a shellfish allergy?" And you'll get exactly what you need. The more clearly and specifically you describe what you want, the better the result. That's not a limitation of AI. It's just how communication works, with humans too. The four-part prompt structure gives you a reliable template for building great prompts every single time. Let's walk through the four parts. Part 1 is role. You tell the AI who it should be for this task, not just "you're an expert," but a specific, defined expert. You are an experienced B2B copywriter who specializes in financial services. That primes AI to use the vocabulary, tone, and frameworks that are specific to that domain. Part 2 is task. This is what you actually want. Be specific and direct. Not write something about our product, but write a 150-word product description for our inventory management software aimed at operations managers in small manufacturing businesses. Part 3 is context. This is the background information AI needs to do the task well. Who is the audience? What's the situation? What has already happened? What constraints are there? The more relevant context you provide, the more tailored the response. And part 4 is format. How do you want the output structured? A numbered list, bullet points, formal paragraphs, an email format, a table? If you don't specify, AI will choose, and it might choose something you can't use directly. Role, task, context, format. Those 4 elements are your prompt foundation. Let me show you what this looks like in real professional situations. A sales director wants to prepare for an upcoming call with a tech startup. His prompt, role. You are a senior B2B sales coach with 15 years of experience in SaaS. Task, write a 30-second elevator pitch for a workforce scheduling app. Context, the audience is a founder of a restaurant group with 40 locations. They're currently using spreadsheets to manage shifts. Format, 3 sentences, conversational, end with a question that opens dialogue. What he gets back is something he can actually use in the first 30 seconds of that call. A nurse educator needs to train new volunteers. Her prompt, role. You are a healthcare writer who specializes in plain language patient education. Task, explain the correct hand washing technique. Context, the audience is new hospital volunteers with no medical background. Format, 5 numbered steps, plain English, nothing over 2 sentences each, under 100 words total. What she gets is a perfect volunteer handout in 2 minutes. A startup founder wants to update her executive summary for investors. Her prompt, role. You are an experienced startup pitch advisor who has reviewed over 500 investor decks. Task, rewrite my executive summary for investor clarity. Context, format, keep it under 150 words. Lead with the problem, then the solution, then the traction. She gets a sharper, more compelling version that she can edit and use. And a corporate trainer needs a knowledge check. His prompt, role. You are a corporate trainer specializing in workplace safety for warehouse environments. Task, create a knowledge check quiz. Context, the training covers forklift safety procedures for new warehouse staff. Format, 5 multiple choice questions with 4 answer options each. Indicate the correct answer. He gets a ready-to-use quiz in under a minute. Here's what I want you to do right now, and I mean actually right now before you move to the next lesson. Think of something you genuinely need to get done this week. A document, an email, a plan, a piece of content, a summary. Something real. Now write a prompt using all four parts: role, task, context, format. Write it out deliberately. Don't just think it, actually type it. Then run that prompt. Compare the result to what you would have gotten from a simple, vague request. Notice the difference. That difference is the skill gap between most AI users and the ones who get consistently great results. The four-part prompt structure is your foundation. Everything from here, the advanced techniques, the automation, the strategy work, all of it is built on top of this. If you practice nothing else from this course, practice this. In Lesson 8, we're going to add one more powerful ingredient to this framework, something that takes your prompts from good to exceptionally targeted. It's called the 5-step prompt formula, and it's going to feel like an upgrade the moment you use it. At iPlan4It, this is exactly what we focus on, helping businesses apply AI in a way that actually drives growth. Thank you for your time. I'm Daisy Finazzo with iPlan4It.com. I'll see you in the next lesson.